Hello, I'm Chris Anderson, and welcome to another Legacy Success Stories video. Today we have the pleasure of listening to Mike Nugent's story and seeing the work he has accomplished when he is not on duty as a Special Ops Fire Chief.
Hi, I'm Mike Nugent from Loxahatchee, Florida with Black Pro Woodworks. I got involved in woodworking at a very early age, as far back as you can remember, 4 or 5. My dad was a woodworker, my grandfather was a woodworker. I grew up around woodworking. It is my go-to thing to do. I'm a fire chief with Broward Sheriff Fire Rescue. I'm the division chief of special operations. I don't hunt, I don't fish, I don't ski, I don't snowboard. I do woodworking. And this is my stress relief. This is what I do when I get off of duty every single day, all day Sunday. I started doing custom woodworking about 4 or 5 years ago. I'm 60 years old. I used to build a lot of kitchens and wall units, and I started getting away from that because it's just, I don't like picking up all these heavy boxes. So I started getting into trim work and moldings and custom design and fixtures for basically for fire departments and retirements, for funerals, for the members of the department, for mementos and stuff like that. It's just something I just love to do. I really enjoy it. That's my go-to thing to do. I actually went to the State University of New York. I have an associate's degree in building construction. And with the social media, I'm always on YouTube, training videos. You're never too old to learn something, trust me. I found Legacy Woodworking at the International Woodworkers Fair in 2014 in Atlanta. I recently purchased a smaller CNC machine. I went to the show because it just wasn't fulfilling the needs that I had. I wanted something bigger, something better. It was great for making little signs, but it wasn't, I wanted to expand my capabilities. I went to the show and I looked at 3 or 4 different CNC machines. I ran into Andy and Anderson at the Legacy booth. And that poor guy, I talked to him for hours. And the guy was awesome. He answered all my questions. And then he showed me he had Artisan and had the 5th axis, it does turning. I'm like, that's it, I'm in. And I'm buying this machine. He goes, all right, that's awesome. So I came back and then I had to talk to Mrs. Nugent, who has the checkbook. Told her my needs, what we want to do, and she's like, hey, listen, this is your passion, this is what you love to do, this is my stress relief. And we decided we wanted to buy a machine. I want it, we're getting it, and I can tell you for a fact, everybody and their brother makes a CNC machine. Nobody has the customer service that I've ever experienced in anything that I've done, whether it's through the fire department or through working with people or through woodworking, that I experienced with Legacy. Everybody there goes out of their way to fix whatever's the situation. Now, every time I have a problem, that's a major crisis for me. It's a simple solution for them because we can go online, we can, it doesn't matter what it is, it's nothing they've never seen, it's not a mystery, it's not, yeah, we'll get back to you, it's immediate. Their customer service is what makes them separate from everybody else. And that's one of the reasons that I went with Legacy. Their customer service, the way they talk to you, the way they treat you, the way they follow up. You have online training, you have online videos, you have technical assistance, you have a phone that people answer, you have email that people get back to you. Communication is the key to all relationships. I know not every message is the greatest, I mean not everybody loves you every minute, but you get back to them and you solve their problems. I consider them friends. I don't work for them, but I've become great friends with almost everybody that I know that works there because I've talked to them on the phone. I've had situations at 10 o'clock at night where I'm freaked out, I'm like losing my mind, I want to take a sledgehammer to the machine and just pound it in the ground, I'll call somebody and they're like, relax. We get online, boom, 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 and it's fixed. The customer service is what sets them apart from anybody I've ever dealt with. And they're actually, I think their main goal is for me to be successful. I know that for a fact. They want me to be successful. Why? Because I'm using their machine. Since I got that machine, my reputation's improved, my abilities improved. What I produce and what I can deliver is the delivery time is nothing. What I can produce is phenomenal. It's basically it's based on my imagination. If I can think about it and I can't figure out how to do it, they're a phone call away. And they help me and they fix my problems. They help me with my design, and they tell me, yeah, this will work, or no, that won't work, and they've never told me anything won't work. And they are the reason I'm successful, and I'm very successful. What I'm able to do now, I could never even imagine without that machine that I bought. It's taken me to a different level of my abilities. It's given me new energy. You know, if my dad could come and see this, he would lose his mind, because growing up we would hand cut dovetails. Now I can program it into a machine, and I can cut all the drawers in a curio chest half a day with no problems. It lets me reach and expand my capabilities to a whole nother level. The situation is I'm it. I don't have any help. So with the CNC machine, I can set it up to run a program or to do whatever I want it to do, and then I can go and do something else. So it's like having extra help in here, except it doesn't move, it doesn't talk back, it doesn't pick anything up, it doesn't clean up after itself. But other than that, it works. You know, it does what it's supposed to do, and it gives me time to go do other things. When you first get it, you're petrified. You're petrified you're going to do something wrong, you're going to hurt it. That's a learning curve. Once you start running, you know it's going to work. So there's times where you'll come out, you'll program something, and you'll leave. I can finish what I'm doing. You know, it's like extra help. It's great. I have some come off the wall stuff. I see stuff like, oh, I need to try to make this, like fire helmets. I had a fire chief come to me. He got a shield. It's called a front piece. It goes on your front of your helmet. I'm like, you know, that would look really nice on a wooden helmet. I'll make a half a helmet. This is a fire front. Goes on a helmet, but it looks like a fire helmet, and people go nuts for this. It's just you can buy a regular helmet, but we already have regular helmets. So, but this has been a big seller. The other thing we make is I make pike poles. The poles that we pull ceilings with, and I make them for honor guards. I make fire axes, and I can put the logo or any logo on the head of the axe, and I can print your name on the handle. That's a big retirement gift that's really, really popular. Coin holders, humidors. I really want to come up with a fire hydrant in a couple different sizes. Full size, because I've had people ask me for that. And people, once you start working, and you'll find customers. They will come to find you, and they'll come up with some of the goofiest ideas you would never think of, but they're willing to pay you a lot of money to make their stuff. And that's what I've been doing. Fire hydrants, nozzles, smooth bore nozzles. You make a lamp out of that. People go nuts over that stuff. You're going to make money building stuff people can't buy on Amazon Prime. You can make stuff for people that are looking for something special. And this is what Legacy is enabling me to do. I can make pretty much anything I want. I focus on fire department paraphernalia. I probably make 10 or 12 things consistently, and it keeps me very busy. I could be even busier. I'm not looking to kill myself because I still love what I'm doing. And I'm doing it because I have the right equipment to do it, and it just makes it easy. It's still fun. I look forward to this every day. I'm having a blast. You make money building specialty stuff. I made $80,000 last year. I worked quite a bit, but it was doable because I had the right equipment.
To see Mike Nugent's full uninterrupted interview, follow the link above. If you're looking for custom woodworking and firefighter memorabilia, you can find Mike's contact information and website in the video description below. Thank you, Mike, for sharing your story and for the service to your community. Click the subscribe button to stay informed when success stories like these are released, and afterwards click the bell icon to receive email notifications. If you enjoyed Mike's story, click the thumbs up icon and leave your thoughts and suggestions below. Last, we would love to share your legacy story. To do so, email us at showcase@legacywoodworking.com and we will contact you to set up an interview and gather your information. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.